In this video, we are going to learn how to configure and use the hyperMILL to NC-SIML interface. The first thing we need to do is to start the hyperMILL Configuration Center and create a new application. In this case, I will name the new application NC-SIML hyperMILL Interface and select the hyperMILL connector from my NC-SIML Interface installation folder. The next step is to modify the machine parameters in the hyperMILL project. Right-click on a machining phase and select Edit. Then click on Post-Processor and edit the machine. The post-processor type needs to be OMA. Next, I'm going to change my machine to a DMU40 EVO. Select NC-SIML Solutions for the type of external simulation and look for your NC-SIML machine in the correct environment. Click OK to exit out of the machine edition. Now I can run the export to NC-SIML. To do so, right-click on the machining phase, go to Utilities, and choose NC-SIML. The interface will load, and you can choose which job to export and whether you want to post the G-code file. Once you click Run, the interface will export everything to NC-SIML, including the part, stock, and fixtures, as well as all cutting tools. This concludes the video on how to configure and use the hyperMILL to NC-SIML interface.